Hello everyone. Are you an intermediate student completed or pursuing MPC and worried about your higher studies or career opportunities? Then this video is for you. So watch this video till the end to know various graduation courses and highly paid latest career opportunities after MPC. Before we begin, welcome to our channel The Guidance Pro. As most of us choose BTech as the most preferred course after MPC in intermediate, but there are many other career-oriented courses along with BTech. In India, many students are not well aware of the immense opportunities available for MPC intermediate passed outs. It is because of the availability of other alternate courses like BTech, BCA, BBA that have become more popular in the past few years. There are many other career-oriented courses along with BTech that we are going to explore in detail. First, we begin with Bachelor of Engineering. Many Indian universities offer degree in engineering disciplines under the name of Bachelor of Technology (BTech) instead of BE. The duration of this course is 4 years and the admission is through national level and state level entrance exams like NEET, EAMCET, IIT, JEE, BITSAT, etc. Coming to job opportunities, there are many career opportunities, both technical and non-technical jobs, for the students who opt various interested streams in BTech, like full stack software developer, manual testing, IT security, data science, AI, digital marketing, etc. There are many branches offered in BTech. Few of them are mechanical, electrical, civil, chemical, aeronautical, computer science, IT, IC, EC, electronics, electronics and telecommunications, petroleum engineering. Next most preferred course is Bachelors of Science BSc. BSc course is one of the dominant and competitive courses in India and one of the most preferable courses for class 12th passed outs. The students who are interested in the computer and information technology field can go for BSc CS IT. The duration of this course is 3 years. Different specializations available in BSc course and students will have to choose the right course that fits their career aspirations and goals. Few of the specializations are shown here. We have done videos on BSc Agriculture and Forestry and provided links in the description. Please go through it for detailed career options in this field. Job opportunities in public sector for BSc graduates undergo different selection process. Few of them are Public Sector Bank Probationary Officer, Indian Railway Assistant Officer, RBI Grade B Officer, FCI Trainee, State Government Assistant Officer, Forest Department IFS Officer, IAF Medical Assistant, LIC AAO. Job opportunities for private sector are IT companies, technical jobs, private hospitals, assistant or nurse, food industry, trainee, assistant, chemical factories, assistant or executive, pathology, lab assistant, pharmaceutical companies, lab assistant. Next comes Bachelor of Computer Application BCA. This course is an alternative of BTech or BSc CS. Students interested in coding or programming languages can opt this course. It covers subjects such as web designing, servers hosting, web development, software development, etc. The duration of this course is 3 years and the job opportunities are software engineers or testers, DBA, information security professional, system administrator, system security officer, etc. National Defence Academy NDA. This is most prestigious course entrance cum graduation program conducted by UPSC to recruit candidates in Army, Navy and Air Force. It is conducted twice every year as NDA 1 and NDA 2 during April and December month of every year. Qualified candidates are sent for training at NDA. Once they graduate from NDA, they are sent to 3 forces: Indian Military Academy, Indian Naval Academy, Air Force Academy. Bachelor of Architecture. This course is designed to produce licensed and professional architects who are authorized to do private constructions and government constructions. The increasing demand in the construction industry, other commercial industries can be fulfilled by the professionals and experts, which anyone can become after pursuing this course. The B.Arch syllabus consists of various theory subjects, studio, project work, practical training, and research training. The duration of this course is 5 years, and the admission is through entrance exam. Eligibility criteria is 50% marks in intermediate. Average salary offered is 2 to 5 lakhs per annum, and the job opportunities include architectural engineering, architectural historian, art director, building contractor and researcher, interior designer, landscape architect. Next, commercial pilot license (CPL). A course in pilot training is for those candidates seeking a career in aviation. Pilot training comprises of two parts: ground training and flying training. Ground training covers the theory of subjects of airline regulations, aviation metrology, air navigation, aircraft technical subjects, and RTR. The exams will be conducted by DGCA are to be passed by the CPL candidates. The candidate has to complete 200 hours of flight time for obtaining the commercial pilot license. The duration of this course is approximately 1 year, and the admission process is through entrance exam. The eligibility criteria are 50% of marks in intermediate, a class 2 medical with fitness certificate from Design Medical Practitioner, at least 16 years of age to start pilot training. The job opportunities include commercial pilot and aviation, etc. Next comes AME training course. AME stands for Aircraft Maintenance Engineering. The future of AME is a great phase in the aviation industry. There is a requirement of 7,54,000 licensed AME worldwide, as the license is valid worldwide. So AME for any institute can do a job in India and abroad. The duration of this course is approximately 1 year, and the admission is through entrance exam. The eligibility criteria for this course is 50% of marks in intermediate, a class 2 medical fitness certificate from Designed Medical Practitioner, and at least 16 years of age to start pilot training. The job opportunities in this course includes airlines, maintenance, repair and overhauls industries, aircraft manufacturing companies, aviation training centers, civil defense forces, aircraft part manufacturing companies. Boeing and Airbus are going to set up their MRO organizations in different states of India, which build thousands of jobs for AME. Next comes B Pharmacy course. This is one of the best courses and it has many job opportunities. If you want to know the top career options in B Pharmacy course, I have already done a video about this course and you can see the video. I have provided link in the description box. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon.